guys! See where we are. Look at the kids. Because today my parents are harvesting their rice field, and so we wanna come here and watch it. Right, Nene?
Correcto.
Hi, Samelin.
Wanna watch? Hi, Samelin.
Hi, Jisrael. Hi, Per. Say hi na uncle ka. Hi, ako. See, our mom, our tatay, our neighbor, Miley, Samuel and Jisa. Huh? Is Jasper getting very heavy?
Yeah, what's up?
Nawa the tattoo, ante.
Huh?
Nawa the tattoo.
Oh,
How you doing?
Nawa tabi.
lagi ba kon lagi taron? Oh. See, we are harvesting already the rice field. See? They are already starting na katunga na sila. They're about like I don't know, they're not even half yet. Oh, I actually bought a Danish chair so he can be comfortable.
Ayaw yung dapat sa lupi. Dito na pigang ko.
Diri oh. Oh. Hi Jisa. Diri oh. Diha lig.
Saan mo pa eh?
Oh, ana.
Alay.
Hey, here, hold this, honey. Ay, nakuha mo.
Nawa the tattoo.
Whoa. Hey guys.
Ay, nakuha mo good ni.
Oh wow.
Ayaw ikuan. Plastic. Nga dapat daw.
How are people gonna get by if I set my chair up there?
Sige daw ka agi
dito ra.
Kadulok. Wa matarong ba?
I don't need to set it up right here. I can stand up.
Ha?
Kilid siya. Marisa.
Everybody's trying to help each other. How to put the
Ayaw anak kay mahayang yan na ba?
how Barbie. Hi, Samelin, say hi. Hi, Per. We miss you, Per. I wanna film it when they come by here, closer here.
Yeah. Well, don't stand under that tree.
Huh?
Don't stand
Yeah, I
under
know because they keep telling me because there's a coconut in there. Dead coconut, oh. So, Dinis is sitting in the chair and Jasper wants to sit in his lap. And of course, here's Hamilin. Too busy, lots of kids. Ay, they're turning around. Hi, Per. Are you having a good time? See, Annie, it's like you have kids.
Yeah, I do.
Huh?
Is that the rice?
Yeah, that's the one there. Mona. Yeah. Per.
Namahaw ka eh.
What about this all along the edge? Are they gonna get
Yeah,
that?
they are still gonna harvest this.
Yeah.
Oh, because I talk about sweet bread and look at them. They wanna have some sweet bread. Because I bought some sweet bread, guys, to take here.
Uncle.
Oh, Per.
Pepe. Oi, come on. Whoa.
Per.
Well, how much do you weigh? Like a sack of rice?
Per weighs like 16 kilos.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's everybody's favorite sweet
Wow.
bread. How, Gisrael, do you like it?
Yes. Very yes.
How about you, Samilin? Do you like
Yes.
You still have clay?
it? You have clay, no more?
Oh, yeah, you get them some more clay.
Yeah, maybe we need to get you more clay, Israel, so you can play with the clay and make what you call it some
Little sculpture.
yeah, sculptures. Yeah. Look at them, guys. They are here. Look at them. Oh, they are resting. They are gonna take a break. We can't even see who they are because they are covered. Their face is covered. Naniuto na sila. Awa pa rin, panituha sila. See that that's their harvester, guys. They are gonna take a break for maybe snack or lunch. Yeah. Because right now, what time is it? Like 11 something. Yeah, it's 11. They're not done yet. Maybe they're about halfway. While this one is harvesting, that machine there is picking up the sacks of rice to put it on by the road. I don't know how many sacks they're harvesting. They harvested so far. They are just taking a break and having some snacks. See? This is the machine that pick up the sacks of rice, you know. Timo sa daw. Oh, they don't wanna eat lunch yet. They're just having some snack, a sweet bread.
They're gonna finish
Yeah.
the field first.
Yeah, they wanna finish it. They're just taking a quick break, snack, and then they are gonna continue harvesting. Maybe they are gonna have
We're gonna
lunch
buy
after
you-
they harvest.
We're gonna buy you a book at the bookstore. What kind of book do you want?
Ganahan kag books, libro. Unsa man nga book mong ganahan? What kind of book do you like?
Book? Pictures of animals?
Ganahan kag pictures sa mga animals? Okay, we'll get you that.
Sculpture.
All right. Smile, honey. I wanna get this one rice. This is how the rice look like here. Here, you can keep that rice.
Yeah, it looks very healthy, man.
Yeah, very healthy.
Put a little rice on there. Get a picture of it.
Huh?
Get a
Yeah.
video of it.
See?
Lots of
know?
rice on there. Lots of rice.
Very healthy rice. They are getting ready to go back on the job. Interesting? Per? Isn't it interesting,
Who's
Per?
that?
What is it, Samilin?
Oh,
Huh?
trying to feed me something.
Oh, this is mango. Mango
Oh,
leaf.
mango leaf.
Ew. Just person. Ew.
Oh, yeah.
He's acting like he's a doggy. Now he's also moving to pick up the sacks of rice. See?
The
They are,
tacos.
yeah, the sackos. Uy, Uncle Gabriel. Call! May Uncle Gabriel ito.
Wait.
Bisa di kagikan, Call? Trabaho rin, ha? More tacos. It's very interesting. This is a new technology here in the Philippines that before it used to be they do it manually, but now they have this high-tech machine.
Well, before only the big farms use these machines.
Yeah.
Now guys buy them and the small farmers can
Right.
hire them.
Right. Very cool, Per, isn't it? Huh?
Very
Isn't it?
cool.
You smell it?
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
You guys are so silly.
You're too funny.
Yeah. First time, you don't see a lot Jasper's laughing because he's always serious. Dili man ka mapil ka, ka naman ka, baby man eh, baby. You don't see him a lot laughing, guys. You know? So it's very once in a while thing. He is oh my god, he's laughing so hard, honey. Damn cool. Why are you making that face, huh? You're so funny.
Little funny guy.
Uncle's little buddy.
My little buddy.
I actually I had to move, guys, because there's a big truck in there. And I have our uncle here. Hi, Cole. Kinakusgang uncle. Yeah, they are already loading that sack.
Oh, they are?
Yeah, that truck is going to pick up and
What they have?
yeah, what they have here. It's not even done harvesting. That's why before they even have to wait for 2 days before a truck can pick up the rice. But now everything is just all high tech and quick. He is harvesting the side. The side. Because you're here. You don't wanna give this part because you're here. See, he is just getting this side because I don't think he's coming back. Ha? Unsa? Ano man? Kapitan ra?
What's he doing?
Huh?
Pile it up and throw it in the harvester?
Yeah. I was asking him. This is how they did it before, guys. Before the machine, they harvest it like this. The whole rice field, they do it like this. Maybe there's like 10 people. They harvest it manually. Or
Freaking work.
yeah.
I don't know anything about that, bub.
Oh, the kids watching the King Koi on the cell phone. Hagbong dyan na ron. Hmm? Na hi. Say hi.
Hi.
See, our little cousin, he's picking some tiny leftovers. And then see, this is what he got. And he is gonna try to take it out from the
Oh, wow.
what you call it? And then he's gonna sell it like 10 pesos per kilo.
Wow.
Okay, everybody, we are gonna go to my parents so we can have lunch. Everybody go because we can be behind. We walk slow. Now we are going to my parents and look at them. They are gonna bring that tractor as close as they can. And here is Jasper. I am carrying Jasper. He's so heavy. Are you okay, honey?
Yeah.
We're going to my parents now because we're gonna have lunch. Maribin is the chef there for sure.
Oh, wow.
That's why we're not here because she is cooking. Yeah. We are here. Maribin.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Everyone.
Maribin is so busy cooking, guys. What did you cook, Maribin?
Chicken, pancit.
Chicken, pancit, and...
Wala man dyan si Jasper naman yung hari.
Hala, uy, perti naman yung kuhan na. Kaya as soon as you got here, he was... O, pa yun mo, nagikana. Nya, unsa may paminan mo tayo, nga 100 pa daw kuno.
100?
Good job!
100.
Very excited.
100.
Yeah, I think so.
There's a leftover 5.
So 105.
Upat, 5 siguro na. Ingon man si kuhan, mga upat,
Apil ang
5.
pilit
Good
tayo.
job.
Apel Philip.
How is it, honey? Can you feel the air?
Yeah, it's fine. Thank you. Thank you.
Everybody's guys are eating in the kitchen. Nangaon na sila? There they are, guys. Ako, videohan natin. Para madala.
Ay!
Ako yung maabot
Let's eat lunch.
Abot ang abro na ni.
Ha? Lunch time for the workers. Here, guys, some chicken adobo, native, and some pancit. Thank you, guys. I'll give you some pancit, honey, okay?
Oh, a little bit. Not
Yeah,
really.
okay. Yeah.
Yeah.
How is it, honey? Pancit.
No, very good.
You like it? How is it, Per? Do you like it? He's very picky. Are you picky, Per? Let's eat, oh, chicken adobo, oh. Why? Look, he's covering his nose. Very particular.
Wow.
They are done. They are... Dali po ninyo, eh. Gamay raman ninyong mura naman itong tulo ka minuto. Wow, honey, my dad has something for you.
Yeah, I love it.
Wow, that's Dennis' favorite.
Yeah.
Laban na, guys, guyabano or sour
yeah.
soup.
Very
good.
delicious. Yeah, very delicious.
Salamat daw.
Thank you.
Wow, see, he particularly picked it for you.
That's very good.
Yeah, you can bring this home.
Yeah.
Anyway, I'm still eating. Are you done, honey? You want me to give you
No,
more?
I'm done.
Okay. There's another one, honey. Do you want more? Or what?
Well, they eat them here. I'll eat it. I mean, like,
Yeah, okay.
yeah.
Now you have two
Thank
laban
you.
na.
Thank you.
Pero now we have two laban na. He picked it yesterday. It's gonna get ripe like maybe in a couple of days. Okay, guys, we are here because our dad is gonna pick more laban na. Oh, we're gonna get more sour soup. Your favorite. So this, remember, honey, last time
Oh yeah.
that you saw the video when I was
Very
picking.
delicious, yeah.
See, there's a lot here in the... This one is not ripe enough. See? There is a lot, guys. I know that it's hard to see, but there's a lot up there. Can you see?
Yeah. Well.
This is the province, honey, life.
Oh yeah.
Hey. See, here's my dad. He's gonna pick more. He's gonna get that. Woo!
Wow.
Wow!
Oh, it's a big one, man.
Dako daw.
Oh wow.
Yeah, it's not ripe yet, but in a couple of days, this
It'll
will
be
be.
ripe?
Yeah, it will be ripe.
Oh, cool.
Isn't it cool?
Oh yeah.
Dugangan pa tayo, di na. Tama na na.
Very nice.
There's another one. Oh, they're gonna pull anyway. Woo!
Wow.
Yeah, this one is already ripe.
Hinog na oh.
Huh?
Hinog na.
Yeah, it's ripe.
Humok na.
Almost ripe though.
Oh good.
Hinog
Yeah.
na.
Berti, that's too much banana though.
Oh wow.
Ay, banana.
Thank you.
Sorry.
Wow.
Wow, honey.
Very
From
nice.
the province.
Yay! Yeah.
Now you have a lot of sour soup, honey.
I do, man.
How are you even gonna finish it?
I'll be
Huh? Huh?
very healthy now.
Yeah, very healthy. Wow, look at all this sour soup,
Wow, I
honey.
scored today, man. Oh, look.
We can't finish that, honey.
Yeah, I'll sure yell at you, Mo.
So guys, we've been having our chica here for like, I don't know how many hours, right?
A lot of hours.
Lot of chica. Are you enjoying, honey?
Yeah, sure. I'm having a good time.
Yeah. Wow. I think Maribin is gonna go with us, right? Maribin's trying to decide. Here's Jisa and Mylen joining our chika-chika. See? Homemade po. Wow, out of the coconut leaves. Very cool. No,
Marvin will do. You're gonna have to go tag him by yourself. I got Lazada coming tomorrow.
While we're doing our chika-chika, look at who fell asleep here. He fell asleep. When he was so sleepy, he went to Dennis, just leaning in there. And then he's sleepy. We are still doing our chika-chika, guys. Non-stop chika-chika.
Non-stop is right.
We are gonna leave in about 30 minutes, and Maribin decided that she's gonna go with us because tomorrow I'm going to Tagum and she is going with us. Because Dennis have something in Lazada coming tomorrow.
Yeah, I think so, yeah.
He has to stay at home. Oh my gosh, guys, it's time to leave. Now Jasper is in a panic, looking for his mom. Because he's gonna ask his mom, Mom, I wanna go with them. This girl here also wants.
Hi guys!
It's time to leave. Oh my God!
It's gonna be a chaos.
Look at him. He thinks he's going.
Oh wow!
Are you going with us, Pear? Huh? He thinks he's going. It's time for us to leave.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Hoy,
Bye-bye!
Bye.
Jisrael is busy with his phone. Here's Samuel gonna carry Dennis chair.
Yeah.
Bye-bye, Pear. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, he's gone, man.
He don't wanna say bye because he thinks he's going. Look at him.
Go get his mom.
Yeah, he's gonna go
Let's
get
go.
his mom. Oh my gosh. He's gonna be okay. Hala.
Let him go find his
Look
mom.
at hala. See, cause he knows that he's leaving. Look at him.
Let him go find his mom.
Yeah, cause he knows that Auntie Ganggang is going. And he wanted to come. This is gonna be a big problem now. Yeah, see? He's hugging. That's what he does. Sao naman eh? Mom.
Where's mom?
Mama, let's go.
Let's go. Yeah.
See? Let's go, ma.
Let's go! Bye-bye!
Bye-bye, guys.
Hala. Oh my God. Same thing before. Bye-bye, Pear.
Bye-bye.
Bye!
Come on, her, let's go.
Ayun sao naman na, oy. I really don't like when kids are crying when we leave. It's
We're not gonna
screaming.
stop as long as we're standing there.
Oh my. It's screaming. Uya po na bata. Oy, I feel sorry for Jasper. It is such a good thing that it's not muddy anymore, honey. You're able to walk in here.
Yep.
Because if it's muddy, it's, hard. So hard.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're here now. Bye-bye, Samilin. Here's our uncle just got back from his work. And that's not our rice, guys. That's from somebody else. And here's the goodies that we have. Some food, sour soup. Thanks to our mommy and daddy.
Bye-bye guys!
Bye-bye, Samilin. Bye, Samuel. Bye, everybody. Thank you so much.
Thank you! See you later!
Bye-bye, honey. See you later.
Thank you, Lord. We are home safe. We also dropped some food for Marites. I just told Maribin came home yesterday and now she's coming back, which is very good. She's gonna go with me to Tagum tomorrow. I have a couple of errands to run there. And since Dennis is waiting for Lazada, then he's gonna stay.
Yeah.
And then today was so fun. It was nice hanging out. Lots of chika-chika. Did you have fun, honey?
Oh yeah, I had a lot of fun. It was great.
Good food.
Yeah.
Cooked by, of course, our chef, Maribel. She was the one who was busy cooking all this food. And I'm so glad, honey, that you came with me this
Yeah, I
time.
had fun, yeah.
That is it for our video today because Maribel and I are going to town. She said she's gonna go with me because I'm going to upload a video.
Right.
And Dennis is gonna do his what?
Simo.
Simo. That's correct. Thank you so much, guys,
Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye-bye.
See you again tomorrow. Bye.
See you guys! Bye!